Do you have a brand new aerosol spray can, or you just took one off the shelf and you accidentally drop it? So now you're looking at a broken tip or nipple and now you can't put this nozzle back on? Well, friends, don't throw this away. I got a solution for you. Stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. If you have been tuning into my channel lately, I've been doing a lot of aerosol spray can videos and hacks that you can do at home. If you're interested on my other videos concerning aerosol can repair, look at these videos right here. Check them out after you watch this video. So now we're back into this broken tip can on this perfectly brand new aerosol spray can, and we can't put this nozzle back on there. So let me show you a few tips on this video, starting with tip number 1. So hold on friends, before I start showing you any of these tips and tricks, we're all about safety. So we want to start with wearing your safety glasses and make sure you have nitrile gloves or any type of gloves to protect your hand from any chemicals or whatever chemical or aerosol cans you are working on. Tip that you can use, no pun intended, is this tip right here. This is called Save a Can reusable tool. Now I'm not sponsored by Save a Can. I found this out and I want to try it out if it actually works. So if you're interested after this experiment, if it does work, I'll leave the link on the description down below. It's got some weight to it. If you look right closely, there's threads onto this edge right here, and it's built very sturdy. Here's that broken can that we have. This one's really bad, so when it hit the floor it probably started spewing out already. I'm gonna start threading this because it does have a thread on the tip, and I'm gonna start threading it right at the top. Okay, so give it a few turns like so. Try to straighten it out a little bit. Give this can a little bit of shake. And you know, it works. See that? I mean, it's a little bit spewing out on the edge right there, but let me try to get this dialed in and we could probably fix this. So this one, the stem is completely leveled, so it kind of works, but it's a little bit messy. Now let's try it out with something with a little bit stem that is left. I'm cleaning out the nozzle. I just took a little bit of brake cleaner, take my compressed air, blow out all that gunk on the inside. There you go. Okay. So I got this other aerosol can. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break off the tip, clip it just like that. More broken, let's see. There you go. So that one's chipped. Take this now, this Save a Can, put it right on top, thread it right through. So your advantage with a little bit of tip left like that, you can have it, you can hold on to it like this. Then you can take the Save a Can tip, thread it. And you can start, and you can feel it getting tighter as you turn it. See, that's pretty tight. And you let go like that. So that's attached there pretty well. And then let's try it out now if it works. So again, when you're working with anything like this, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Save a Can works. See that? Brand new. This is actually a carburetor cleaner, so it actually cleaned up nicely on the inside. So what you can do is to unscrew it, you can just go do that or hold it. This is the honest truth. This thing works. It's heavy for a tip. It weighs 4 ounces. After you're done using it, go and blow it with some compressed air just to clean out all the gunk on inside. Use this for another day. So if you're interested on the Save a Can, I'll leave the link on the description down below. You can keep reusing this forever and ever because this thing is high quality made with some threads. This next tip that you can try, this broke off, you can't put this back on. You know how most of these carb cleaners comes with these straws, or WD-40 comes with these little small straws. So what I did, friends, was I got a thicker straw from this. This thinner straw didn't seem to work. So I had to upgrade to a thicker straw. This came off this WD-40 straw. Upgraded to a 7/64 drill bit. It's about the same size of this. I did a little bit of hand drilling like this motion. You're gonna use your hands. Don't attach this to a drill because you could accidentally go too much and over drill it and it could cause some problems. So if there's a little bit of nipple there that you can do to use this to grab onto that so it can prevent it from turning, you can go and manually just use your hands to drill a little bit. You see all that stuff getting drilled out. I want to go test it out if this thing would work. So you can kind of see where I'm going with this already. Fits just right. Make sure it's nice and snug. I took that same drill bit and I drilled the inside of this as well, like that. I got my compress there to clear it out. See that? See that air coming out? Make sure you feel that air coming out. Got a thin drill bit right here, and what you're trying to do is you're trying to open up that hole. Make sure that's not pinched. Cut it, it gets pinched, and now you have a pinched hose, and you don't want that. You want to free up that hole, and then you can gauge how long of a stem you want when it's inserted onto the nozzle. So that's what it's going to look like right there. Insert this right here. Test it out. See that? At least its stuff is still coming out, but you might have a little bit of spray right there. But it's definitely spraying a lot better. It's better than, you know, throwing away the whole can. You can still get some out of this can. So here's another tip, friends. What if your nozzle tip somehow you got misplaced or it fell off and you can't find it anymore? I know WD-40 is the most common used, and it's probably in every household by now. And if you end up using one of these, I know it comes with these really cool special tips like this one. What you do is before throwing this away, when you're done with it, keep these nozzle tips, okay, friends, because they might come in handy one day. And what you can do is you can actually use that to put onto this one, and it works just as well. So if you try this on like this, see that? Works really well, huh? So make sure that you don't throw these away. Save these because you never know. Very useful one. So here's another aerosol product that we use quite often. It's great stuff, spray foam. I made a separate video on this on how to clear out clogs and how to clear out this clogged straw if you don't have any of these tools that I'll be showing you next. But after you watch this video, make sure you check this video out and I'll show you some tips and tricks on that I didn't mention on this video right now. But the easiest one that you can do is take this out like so, and you can buy a pack of replacement straws on Amazon. Again, if you're interested on this Amazon link for these straws, I'll leave the link on the description down below. These are fairly cheap, less than $7 for a multiple of them. And you can just use that and reattach it just like so. Shake it up, reuse them again. There you go. And these are replacement straws. This last tip that I'm going to have for you is not for broken tips, but it's for convenience. Is what if you're tired of just, you know, using your fingers right here for long periods of time, so you're spraying. There is an easy way, and there is this thing called can gun. Okay, so this can gun is very handy to use. With this trigger right here, you can spray it just like that. So there you have it, friends. Those are my tips and tricks on how you can save these perfectly good aerosol cans with the broken stem or nipple. There are ways to do them, different ways. These are just some of my tips and tricks. So if you ended up using any of the ones that I mentioned here, let me know in the comment section down below which one was successful for you, which one you actually liked. And if you have one in mind that I didn't share on this video, please share it on the description down below. Share with the community so all of us can learn from your technique or your experience. So again, friends, this is part of my aerosol can series. If you're interested on my other videos concerning how to save these aerosol cans, check out these videos right here after you watch this one. So again, friends, make sure you practice good safety. Wear your safety glasses, wear a respirator if you need be, or work in a well-ventilated area. Okay, friends, wear nitrile gloves as well to protect your hands from these chemicals. Again, friends, if you found this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.